a quick Tractor Supply and Lowe's mini haul. I took a quick shopping trip today and I was able to pick up a few things. I've got a couple of pots here, some more vermiculite, a Chicago hardy fig, another hardy kiwi, because I'm not sure if mine was destroyed by the winter snow apocalypse we just had. I picked up a fall gold raspberry to add to the raspberries that I already have. I think they are still alive, but I don't mind having a second or third cultivar because the raspberries are delicious. I was able to find a Bruce plum. I will need a second cultivar for that to make sure that that gets pollinated. I picked up a Sam Houston peach and a red gold nectarine. So I'm so excited to have these in my garden this coming spring. They are already budding out, a couple of them. So exciting. So I hope you guys like my quick shop with me. This is what I picked up. There were a few too many people in the store this morning, so I wanted to hurry up, get in and get out, but this is what I got. So thanks for watching.